welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So today I'm going to show you how I have turned an old belanchakki into a beautiful decorative tray or serving tray. Before moving to that video, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below and tell me how do you like it. So let's get started. To make this DIY project, you need an old belanchakki, some door handles, screws, a white color paint, drill machine to drill holes, sandpaper and paintbrush, and Fevicryl color, gold paint and blue paint. At first, place the door handles on the top of the Belan and measure the holes and then drill. After drilling the holes, take the sandpaper and sand it down properly. Now paint it with the white color. Okay, after the paint has dried, I have screwed these door handles with this wooden belanchakki and pre-painted the door handles with this high gloss first dry all-purpose spray paint. And after that, I have taken a tape and create this geometrical pattern over here, and this portion I am coloring with blue. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.